Welcome to today's striking and fielding game, Runner Runner. In this game you'll need a ball, some stumps and some cones for about 8 pupils in each game. Split the group into 4 fielders and 4 runners. On go, each runner takes it in turns to run from one crease to the other, making sure they touch the ground with the bat over the crease to score 2 runs. The runners keep doing this until the bowlers or the fielders have hit the stump. Once the stumps are hit, the runners stop scoring their point. Keep playing until each of the fielders has had 3 bowls and then swap over, or you can play for time instead before swapping over. The team with the highest runs are the winners. Here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you had fun in today's game and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.